Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Today in I Square we are going to discuss about a shortcut method. Yes, a shortcut method to find the inverse of a matrix. We all knew that in most of the competitive exams, time is the most precious thing, and what consumes our most of the time during a mathematics exam is the problems related to matrices, and even we know that finding the inverse of a matrix is a time consuming process and the result even may not be true or correct. So in this class we will enable you to do finding the inverse of any square matrix exactly correct in within seconds, within 30 seconds. So this trick is a super easy trick which enables you to save your lot of time. So without any further intro, we shall directly move on to the trick with the help of an example. So in order to prove this super easy trick, let us take a specimen matrix. As you all know, any 3 by 3 matrix has an inverse if and only if the determinant of that matrix must be non-zero, isn't it? So in order to prove this trick for this 3 by 3 matrix also, first of all we have to evaluate the determinant of that matrix and make sure that that determinant is non-zero. So we shall directly find the determinant of this matrix. Let it be determinant of A. And as you all know, the method of finding the determinant of any square matrix by the usual method. If you don't know this usual method, I'll put you the link of the lecture explaining the method of finding the determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix in the description, and you can check it out. And by the way, the determinant of this matrix is given by, so we can directly apply the method 1 into 3 minus 0. So it is 1 into 3 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 0. So minus 1 minus 0, again minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 0. So this is the determinant of this matrix, and we can directly evaluate it as 3 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So 5 minus 4 equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Now whenever we are given with a matrix, we know that the inverse of the matrix is given by the formula A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. And what consumes most of our time while finding the inverse of a matrix is the process of finding this adjoint of A. Hence, by this trick, we will make you enable to do or to find the adjoint of a matrix in seconds. So we shall find the adjoint of the matrix A. So in order to apply that trick, you have to write this number table exactly like this in here. So it is equal to minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 1. So we have written the same matrix without the matrix notation in here. Now we shall replicate the first two columns to the right side. So it will be 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, minus 2. So I just replicated the first two columns to the right side. Now again I am going to replicate the first two rows to the downside. So it will be 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, and again minus 1, 3, 0, minus 1, 3. So I got a bigger number table like this. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to delete the first column and the first row from this entire list. I just deleted the first column as well as the first row. Now I have a smaller 4 by 4 number table like this, and I am going to derive the adjoint of the matrix, original matrix, from this table. As you can see that we can have a smaller 2 by 2 matrix over here, and we can easily find the determinant of that matrix. Let me write that. So it is equal to 3 into 1 is nothing but 3 minus 0. So 3 will be the first number of that adjoint of that matrix. Again I am moving column wise. See, I am moving this column. You can again find a 2 by 2 matrix over here. You can easily find the determinant of that 2 by 2 matrix. It is nothing but 4 minus 2. it is nothing but 2, and I am writing that number in row wise. So I am moving column wise here and I am writing numbers row wise here. And again you can see another 2 by 2 matrix here. So you can easily find the determinant of that matrix. It is nothing but 0 minus 6. It is nothing but 6. So we get the next term as 6. Again I can find the next 2 by 2 matrix over here and I can find the determinant as 0 minus 1. It is nothing but 0 plus 1, it is 1, and I have to write the number in the next row. Again I am moving column wise, so we can easily find the determinant of this second 2 by 2 matrix, and this is nothing but 1 minus 0. So we already found out this determinant. Now this is 1 minus 0, it is nothing but 1. Again I can find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, and this is nothing but 2 minus 0. So the next term will be 2. So I moved along 2 columns and I generated 2 rows in adjoint. Now again into the last column I can find the determinant of this matrix. It is nothing but 2 minus 0, that is 2. Again 0 minus 2, that is nothing but 2. Again 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1. So this will be the adjoint of this matrix. So adjoint of the original matrix can be obtained in a simpler way, and this took 5 minutes long because I was explaining. If I am doing this, it will take a second. So this is very super easy. And then the inverse of the matrix is given by, we know that inverse of the matrix is given by 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. And it is equal to 1 by 1. Here determinant equal to 1 by 1. So it is equal to 1 by 1 into adjoint of A is given by this matrix. So it is nothing but 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, and at the last 2, 2, 1. See, we had found that the inverse of the matrix in seconds. So we just found the inverse of the given matrix by using this super simple trick. And if you find it useful, you can practice the same with the help of various kinds of matrix, and you will be a master in it, and it will definitely going to save you lots of time. So if you find this useful, share it to the friends, and please subscribe and like this channel for more videos like this. And in the next video I'll come up with a new effective trick for which helps you to easily save you a lot of time in various competitive exam. So till then, bye bye, wait for the next video, take care.